In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an AC condenser cooling fan on your Honda Accord. Remove the fan connector. There's a little push on here, push on that, and pull straight down. And separate the connector. Remove the two 10mm bolts off the top of the fan assembly. Pull the assembly straight up. On the bottom of the fan assembly, you'll find these two little dowel pins. Those are going to drop into two holes in the bottom. Install the fan. Make sure those pins line up. You can try and slide it back and forth, and if you can't, then those pins should be locked in and you should be good. We'll install the two 10mm bolts. Snug them down. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure everything's nice and connected, locked in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.